Hello. We've designed this software with your comfort in mind, streamlining many complexities. Please note that if the system isn't configured correctly, it might behave unexpectedly. For many business owners, inventory management is key. That's why we've focused on providing significant benefits with minimal required details. Now, let's walk through the steps to create a part master in detail. Simply click the Add button. Enter or select the appropriate group name. Make sure the active checkbox is selected. In the future, if a part is no longer an inventory item, then you can disable it to prevent accidental use in transactions. Enter the part number or a short description. Enter or select the unit of measurement. Remember, this is your primary unit for this part. Enter a more comprehensive description of the part. Enter the default inventory rate. The system will use this if a current rate isn't found. Now, let's look at some inventory settings. If inventory check, then system will mark as your inventory. Some items, like office stationery or maintenance parts, might be needed for transactions but not tracked as inventory. So, keep unchecked in those situations. If purchasing check, that means system will identify this as part we'll be using in purchase-related transactions. If scrap check, then this part is considered in scrap category. Note: if it's scrap, you'll must need to provide an initial inventory rate. Now, moving on to manufacturing settings. If manufacturing check, indicate we are going to produce this part and can be accessible while creating bill of material. In manufacturing, parts are usually producing whole units. So, if the system calculates a minimum manufacturing quantity, for example 23.45 as per available inventory, if you have checked decimals, then it will automatically round it down to 23. Let's explore into more precise settings within the Inventory tab. Enter or select the HSN, Harmonized System of Nomenclature, or SAC, Services Accounting Code, number as per government regulations. We recommend using the full number, but you can leave it blank if not necessary. Enter or select a specification, such as the material grade if it's a raw material. Otherwise, you can leave this blank. If you buy or manufacture this part for a specific model or design, you can specify it here. This is optional. Select a default store location. You can always change this during transactions as needed. This is also optional. Enter the weight in kilogram. This will be helpful for calculating shipment weight, especially for external processing or sales. Understanding inventory levels. Our system has built-in intelligence, so you usually don't need to enter inventory levels manually. The system will automatically set them based on your consumption patterns. If you'd like to provide initial values, you can, but these fields are optional. If this part has a shelf life, enter it in months, for example, 3 or 6 months. Enter the default minimum order quantity, MOQ, for purchasing, manufacturing, or sales. This is optional, you can leave it blank or set it to 0. We've now covered the most critical part, which is deeply integrated with our intelligent system. Now, let's look at some accounting configurations on the Account tab. The system will automatically fetch the appropriate tax formula, which is the default, based on the HSN or SAC information you provided earlier. This is optional, as our intelligent system will handle it automatically. If you intend to use accounting features, please choose the correct account group from the selection list. What if you use another unit than primary for purchasing? Don't worry, we thought of that. Now, switch to the Unit tab. To add a unit other than the primary one, click the Add Line button. Enter the unit name, specifically the unit symbol, like kg for kilogram, in symbol cell. Enter the conversion ratio to the primary unit. To add more units, simply repeat this process. Remember, this is primarily used for purchasing. You might be wondering about the Customer Material tab. Let's clarify. If this part is a finished product that you sell, and your customer provides some proprietary parts for its manufacturing, you'll need to add those parts as customer material. To add customer material, click the Add Line button. Remember, you can only enter these details if you've marked the part as manufacturing. Double-click on the part information cell and select the customer's part from the list. Enter the validity, which represents how many of the customer's parts are used to manufacture a single unit of current part. Make sure the active checkbox is selected, otherwise, the system won't reference it. That's it. We've covered all the information based on your business needs. Not everyone will need to fill in every field, it depends on your specific business type. For the final step, click the Save button to create your part master. If all the information passes the validation process, the system will save it, and your part master will be ready to use. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.